What's up, crew? Welcome to another video. Yeah, putting in the NRG Prisma and the new short shifter. Originally, I was going to do these in two separate videos. If I'm going to take the seat out and give myself a lot more room to install a short shifter, I might as well do them both in the same video and not try to do this weird thing where I record two separate situations. So let's just get into it. And I know what you might be thinking, at least those of you who have been watching the videos or those of you who are part of the crew. I just installed new shifter carrier bushings and I was like, oh, I'll probably get a short shifter later. Well, later came a lot quicker than I was anticipating. The short shifter is just one of those upgrades that wasn't, it's one of the cheaper ones out of the group that I want to do. So I figured why not just go for it. The difference of this is insane. From the mounting point. Oh man, that's awesome. What you can see is the rotation point is much higher than this. This is all the way at the bottom. So that gives it that shorter throw. That's exciting. From what it looks like, I will not retain the stock bushings unless I use them for height. I'm gonna look that up. Alright, so they are, you just put it in. Well, camera ran out of space, or my hard drive ran out of space, maybe. Taking a break. In typical John fashion, which Justin will catch that right away, didn't do my research, did a bunch of work for no reason here, because I cannot use the existing rails. I'm going to have to go online and find aftermarket adapters, basically, that will allow me to put that in there. So we'll see if I do that. Honestly, I'm not too thrilled with this idea of spending more money for these seats, but I guess we'll see how I feel. Because I still definitely do not want to put these seats through more trouble than they need to. At least I want to take these apart again, and yeah. Definitely debated whether or not I wanted to include this and just like re-record some stuff and just say, alright, we're going to install the, and then leave the bucket seats to another day. But you know what? Note to those who own an Evo and want to do a bucket seat, you gotta get adapters. Here's a piece of research that I didn't do. To be continued on Project Bucket. Project Short Shift, though, is almost in. I mean, technically it's in. It just needs the old button up. We'll finish up the short shifter, put all the paneling back on, and then take it for a quick drive. This is all the way back. We'll leave it there. Cool. Onto the short shifter button up. This back here. This goes first. Kind of feel like I remember seeing a video about the boot not fitting. But you know what? That's alright. Yeah, change the song. I just kind of carelessly put stuff back. Ooh, I just slipped right in. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. I don't need to screw that in because it's fine. Let's go for a test drive. Alright, we're going kind of ghetto fabulous right now. I've got my audio right here, going to my big cameras down here, which I'll show you the angle. It's not a terrible angle for what we're doing, but yeah, it's not ideal. Alright, so first moment of truth. Will it go into reverse and stay in reverse? Because that's super important. And then we'll go around the block and we'll see if there's reverse, it's staying. Hell yeah. And then we'll go around the block and see if hitting... What am I running over? Oh, okay. I have my creeper underneath the Evo. Now what am I... Hell, I just can't get out of here. The fucking bucket. The literal bucket. Alright, test number 3. Good God. Can we make it out of the driveway? Can't see the shifter anymore. Huh, I don't have a dome light. Alright, whatever. Yep. Second gear. Yep. Third gear. Yep. Fourth. Yep. Fifth. Yep. Sixth. Yep. Alright. Damn, that is... you can't see me, which is horrible. But I'm doing this at night, so whatever. That is an extremely tight H. Like, I've seen plenty of videos, and everyone says it's an extremely tight H, but holy crap. Oh yeah. Wow. That's insane. I don't know about fifth though. I'd be scared to hit fifth trying to like take someone on a race. Not that I'm racing ever. Feels really awesome. And the weight of the shifter knob is pretty nice. Let's get back in the garage, close this video out. I gotta roll the BMW back into its spot. All right. Nice. That nice. I really need to figure out my process, to be honest. I used to do content creation as a fitness quote-unquote influencer. I wasn't really influencing shit except for being a big guy who could do cool things. With vlogging, it was a little bit different with fitness. You just put the camera down, you move it around a couple times. Working on cars and not being like a mechanic and knowing certain things and having to do my own research, combining the two is really freaking hard. I hope to in the future get access to more helpers. So I've got 2 who I've had help from. Neither of them were available today, so that's a bummer. But I do see some potential in the near future, which is going to be great. So regardless, tangent, don't really want to get into that. Needless to say, that led to a couple speed bumps like you saw. I wasn't able to get the NRG seat into the Evo because I didn't do the research, which maybe that should be an episode one of these days, which is like, do your research. If you want to get into project cars, don't skip the research, even if it seems dumb. I didn't even do much research on the shifter, although I've seen enough videos of people putting it in, and I figured it was easy, which it was. Went in nice and easily. Definitely one of the easiest I've done, which is crazy. All that means is I got to take my time and find the solution for the NRG if I do want to make that change. That's on hold. Project Bucket will be not in the Evo until I figure out what it is I need to get to put it in. But the short shifter, oh my God, is nice, is great, is good. That was a very easy install, rated PG for sure. Absolutely nothing hard about that. And then driving it around, like, I do feel like there's definitely a little bit of an adjustment I need to make, so I'm pretty stoked about that. The position of the shifter knob and how high it is, I do like a high shifter for some reason. If you made it this far, again, you're awesome. Thanks for watching. Oh, and a reminder, I gotta remind myself to do this. If you are new to the channel, we're doing a giveaway, and really the main way for you to get a chance to win is to just be a subscriber, join the crew. We're giving away a set of wrenches, $100 value, straight from Harbor Freight. Not a sponsor, not connection at all. We're just gonna place the order and it's gonna ship to you. The other ways to enter are explained in the giveaway video that I'll link up above here. And yeah, I hope you decide to join the crew. We've got awesome content in the works. We've got plenty of content to watch if you haven't been to the channel before. I've got an Evo, an M3, and a Tundra. Really, the Evo is the only car that I'm really working on and focusing on. The M3, I'm taking a break because I can't figure out how to get it to start. I'm just not, I don't know. Can't even go into it. And then the Tundra, I've got some plans, but might be future, maybe one near-term change to get Apple CarPlay in there, but we'll see. The only way to find out is to subscribe. So, and if you're not new, you know what to do. Hit that like button, leave a comment, share this video. Those are the ways that grow the crew. And until the next one, I'll see you later, crew. Oh, and go spend some money on that money pit.
I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I can let up. They ain't not taught me never.